Looking for an affordable Filipino buffet where you can enjoy delicious food without breaking the bank? Then come and dine with us at Hapag sa Balai, located on the ground floor, 704 Leveriza Street, corner Quirino Avenue, Malate, Manila. And yes, for the second time around, we are back again to enjoy some of our favorite Filipino comfort food. Kain na tayo sa Hapag. From the moment you step inside, get ready to feast on a wide selection of Filipino favorites in generous servings. And the best part, you can enjoy this delicious all-you-can-eat Filipino buffet for only 369 pesos per person for 2 hours. That's a satisfying Filipino feast at a very reasonable price. Let's take a look at some of the delicious dishes waiting for us today, starting with classic favorites like Pancit Canton and Pinoy Spaghetti. Then we have flavorful Paksiw na Lechon, creamy and delicious Laing, and pressed steamed mussels and shrimp. For vegetable lovers, there's Chopsuey and Ginataang Langka. And of course, more Filipino favorites such as pork steak, pork sisig, sweet and sour fish, and rich, savory beef caldereta. Meat lovers can also enjoy tender pork Spareribs, flavorful chicken buffalo, and one of the crowd's favorites, Lechon. All these Filipino dishes are best enjoyed with freshly steamed rice, complemented by the soup of the day. Now that's what we call a true Filipino comfort food experience. One of the things we enjoy about Hapag sa Balay is the variety. Every visit can bring something new because the menu changes daily. While the dishes may vary from day to day, you can still expect the familiar Hapag sa Balay spread, giving diners something different and exciting to look forward to on every visit. So whether it's your first time or your second, third, or even 10th visit, there's always another delicious dish waiting to be discovered. Now it's time for the best part. Kainan na! From savory saucy dishes to rich Filipino classics and comforting home-style flavors, there's definitely something here for everyone. Take your time, enjoy your favorites, and don't forget to go back for another round. After all, this is an all-you-can-eat buffet. And of course, save some room for dessert. Cap off your meal with refreshing pandan jelly and sweet slices of red and yellow watermelon. For drinks, you can refresh yourself with blue lemonade. And if you're looking for something warm after your meal, there's also hot coffee. The perfect way to end a satisfying Filipino feast. Hapag sa Balay also makes dining with the family even more enjoyable. Here are the kids' rates based on the child's age. Kids 0 to 4 years old eat free. Kids 5 to 12 years old pay only 50% of the promotional buffet rate. And for those 13 years old and above, the full promotional adult buffet rate applies. So bring the whole family and enjoy a delicious feast together. Another great thing about Hapag sa Balay, there's no cut-off time for operations. Diners can come anytime from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. daily. The buffet spread is continuously refilled, so diners enjoy fresh dishes throughout the day. Whether it's an early lunch or late afternoon meal, or dinner with family and friends, you can drop by and enjoy your favorite Filipino dishes. And wait, there's more! Hapag sa Balai is making sure that everyone gets to enjoy the feast with some exciting promos. For small groups, there's the Rainy Days 3+1 promo. With 3 paying adults, 1 diner, it's free. That's perfect for family gatherings, barkada food trips, or simply enjoying a buffet meal with the people you love. And for our senior citizens and PWDs, there's another special treat. Enjoy the unlimited buffet for only 299 pesos with a valid ID. Please note that the Rainy Days 3+1 promo and the 299 pesos seniors and PWD only buffet promo are available on weekdays and run until August 30. So if you're planning to take advantage of these offers, better visit before the promo ends. And if you're planning something special, Hapag sa Balai now offers new exclusive event packages, perfect for birthdays, intimate celebrations, family gatherings, corporate events, and all those special moments you want to celebrate with the people who matter most. Send them a message to learn more about their exclusive event packages and start planning your next celebration. Stay tuned to their page for any announcement and upcoming promos. For inquiries and dining reservations, call 0945-779-2130. So come to Hapag sa Balai and bring your family, friends, and loved ones. Enjoy your favorite Filipino dishes, discover something new from the daily buffet spread, and experience a satisfying all-you-can-eat Filipino feast at an affordable price. Whether rain or shine, kain na tayo sa Hapag. And if you enjoyed this food trip, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more food trips and delicious discoveries. This is your friendly food tripper, bringing you more food, more flavors, and more places worth discovering. Thanks for watching and see you at the next table. Tara na at kumain sa Hapag. Ang balay na walang sawang, babalik-balikan, rain or shine.